Hey, what's up everybody? Alien Zach Figiel here. We are outside of a brand new listing, 3510 Manchester. We're excited to walk you through here. We have an open house this Sunday from 1 to 3 p.m. So let's flip this baby around and let's check it out. Oh, hey, look who's here.
Hey, I know you guys.
It's Joe Marks with Realty Executives.
Come on in.
All right, Joe, tell us about this awesome house.
You want to know about this house?
I want to know about it.
Okay. So yeah, we're on the west side of Madison, really close to Super Target. Right off of PD on Manchester.
Yep.
3-bed, 2-bath ranch. Yeah, and we're at 274.9.
Awesome.
Price.
All right.
We're over 2,100 square feet. So
Wow.
that's a lot of space for the price on the west side.
Yeah.
Awesome. So today we're going to show you each of our favorite things about this house. So Joe, you happen to be in front of my favorite thing right now.
I'm like Vanna White right now.
This is awesome. I love this.
Yeah, this is a rare find in this neighborhood.
All right. So one thing that's awesome about this house is the Sub-Zero fridge. High-end, top of the line. Check this out. You can control your temperatures from right in here. Just sweet. And then 2 separate freezer areas.
My favorite thing about this house is its open concept and open layout. So I'm standing in the kitchen and then it's just, I can see right into the living room. It's really nice. Also I have some vaulted ceilings so that opens up the space a little bit more and great for entertaining.
Come on, guys, let's go downstairs. This is my favorite part of this whole house. So you have a whole basically second kitchen downstairs with this monster Packer green counter. So set up well for your Packer parties. So, but specifically, you gotta get a close up of this part. So this is my favorite feature of the bar. This sweet retro Thermador range.
Awesome. So Joe, thanks for having us out here at your awesome new listing, 3510 Manchester.
You bet.
We'll be here this Sunday, the 16th, from 1 to 3 p.m. So come check us out.
Happy Friday!
Bye.
See ya.